Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to integrate Microsoft Outlook Calendar in Monday.com. So if you're using Monday.com and if you want to integrate Microsoft Outlook Calendar, these are the steps that you need to follow and you'll be good to go. First of all, you need to log in to your profile in Monday.com, and then you need to open your board, the board that you're working on. And once when you're here, what do you need to do? You have to click here at the top right corner and on your profile right here. And once when you do, you're going to see some options here that you can choose from. And from here, what do you need to do? You need to go here, App Marketplace. And once when you're here, you can see that there are a lot of apps that you can integrate with your board in Monday.com. Some are, developed by Monday.com, but most of the other applications, they are third-party applications made by another developer. So you can see that this app is made by AppFire and this is made by Spotlight. You can also see the reviews of these app by people who have used it on their board here in Monday.com. And what you need to do, you need to type Microsoft Outlook here. So you can see that there are a lot of options that you can do. You can also type Outlook. Here you go. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So there are two Outlook Calendar Integration Plus and Outlook. You can use both of them depending upon your needs. And I'm going to click here. And here you can see that there is an option to install the app that you can use. And you can also go and see this one as well. I'm going to go with this. And then you need to choose the board and your workspace. Some people or some organizations have multiple boards, but I'm going to use my board that I have, and I'm going to click here on Add App. Okay, so once when you do it, it is going to show some templates that you can use Outlook for. Every time period, if a status is something, send an email to someone. When a column changes, send an email to someone. When a status changes, send an email to someone. We can use these templates, any template that we like, and we can click on use template. And then we have to connect our Microsoft Outlook account. In order to do that, if you need to do that, you need to connect your Microsoft Outlook account. And once when you do it, you'll be good to go. You can use Outlook here on Monday.com. And I'm also going to show you the other one that we saw previously here. And we're going to see what that one is. So this is pretty simple. I've told you, you need to connect your Outlook account and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to use these templates. And if you go here with this one, we need to install the app. Install. And then we need to see which board we would use it with. And here you go. This is just same as the one we saw previously. It's going to give us some templates and we're going to use the templates that we like. So it's pretty simple and it's exactly the same like we did before. Now, no difference, I would say, no key difference. So yeah, so we're going to write here everything according to our needs. When theme changes, and we're going to fill in this and we're going to click on create automation. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.